welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be what skincare trends makeup artists are predicting for 2019 that I already have in my collection. I'm using an article I found on the website Popsugar called the Makeup Trends You'll See Everywhere in 2019 according to a makeup artist. And this contains 6 makeup trends that they think they are going to see in 2019. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first makeup trend that this makeup artist is mentioning is that rich reds are gonna make a comeback, which I don't think they ever went anywhere, but red lipstick, like a really nice red statement making lipstick. So in my collection, I do have K-Beauty reds as well as Western brand reds, and I find that I really enjoy wearing red lipstick with a minimal, like subtle glitter eye in the winter time. And I have here from Etude House, this is the colorful drawing Dear Darling tint in the color PK007. It's labeled as a pink, but it's not a pink, it's kind of a pinky red. And I like the hue it gives you without giving you that matte look, and I like how it's more of a glossy finish. And I also have from Bite Beauty, this is the Matte Creme Lip Crayon in Fraise, and you can see this one is a very statement making bright red as well. So, and these aren't the only 2 reds I have in my collection. I've got deep reds, I've got blue reds, I've got orange reds, I've got all sorts of reds. These are just 2 examples of what I have already, so I don't need to purchase anything in 2019 for this trend. The next makeup trend that they're saying is going to be big in 2019 is a natural look. Fresh hues, My Lips But Better lip colors. And when it comes to this trend, K-Beauty's got it in spades. I have... Solomon. No. Get down. He's like, oh. K-Beauty's got it in spades when it comes to the natural My Lips But Better look. I have two products here. I've got a lipstick from Hulka Hulka. This is the Heartful Moisture lipstick in the color BG401, and it's this pinky nude color that goes on really like a lip balm. The color fades away gracefully and it looks really beautiful on the lips. And I also have a Laneige lip tint in the color Urban Coral. That's more of this type of like pinky flushed color, but it doesn't come off that bold. When you put it on, when it dries down to a very nice flushed lip color. So when it comes to K-Beauty, I have this trend in spades. The next trend that the article says is going to make a huge comeback in 2019 are cream blushes. And if you would have seen my video on rediscovering my collection, what I rediscovered in my collection, I have rediscovered this month cream blushes and how much I love them. They give your face kind of a more of a fresh face glow than a powder blush. It doesn't sink into your pores as much, and it gives you that nice subtle glow without creating a stripe on your face. So I really love these. I've got 2 of them here. I've got the Sephora Colorful Cheek Ink Gel in Peony, and I also have the Sem Semmel Cream Stick Blusher in this beautiful pinky color. So what I do with these is when it comes to cream or liquid blushes, for a liquid blush, I will put a tiny bit on my finger and dot it on my face before using a brush to blend it out. When it comes to a stick, like a stick cream blusher, I will put actually like 3 dots on my face. I won't use a brush to take it off and put it on my face because I find I don't get as much of an impact that I want out of it, but using it as like putting circles on your face in the same way you would put dots on your face creates that beautiful flushed look. The next trend that Popsugar predicts is going to be coming in 2019 is graphic liner. And graphic liner is kind of using funky colors to create liner shapes that, you know, can go from a cat eye to a puppy look, doing underneath the eye, just making it colorful and kind of statement making. So I've got a ton of colorful eyeliners, both from Western brands and K-Beauty brands. The K-Beauty pencil I have is from Clio, and it is their Gel Presso waterproof pencil eyeliner in the color Emerald Lagoon. It's this beautiful turquoise tealy blue color. And I also have a bunch of these Urban Decay razor sharp liquid eyeliners that I have in like a green, a blue, and like a gray, gunmetal gray color. I also have much more upstairs, and I'm set for this trend for this year. So that's another thing that I already have in my collection that is gonna be moving into the new year. The next trend that Popsugar predicts is gonna be all over the place in 2019 is winged eyeshadow. Using your eyeshadow kind of as your wing instead of using just eyeliner. And I kind of already do this technique anyways when it comes to my eyeshadow. It's not super sharp, but I do like to have that little bit of a line so that when I put my eyeliner on, that's where the eyeshadow ends. So it creates that look of a winged eye without a huge amount of eyeliner on it as well. So that's a trend that I have tons of eyeshadows. It's easy to do. You just need Scotch tape if you're not good at keeping it in that straight line, or if you want a sharp line, just put Scotch tape from the, be careful with it, but stick Scotch tape underneath your eye to create whatever line you want when it comes to your eyeshadow. The next one I don't need any products for because I don't do it. If you've seen my video of the, I think it's unpopular makeup opinions tag I did, I mentioned that I do not do my brows and I have no interest in doing my brows, so don't come at me in the comments. I don't do them. I wear glasses and I have bangs 99% of the time and it just goes everywhere. So I have no desire to do my brows, but the trend for 2019 is natural brows. So hello, don't need to buy anything because I have natural brows. Amazing, trend up. All right, so that is the last trend for 2019 according to Popsugar that's going to come out. As you can see, I do have a big enough collection to be able to do any of these trends this year without having to purchase anything, which is great for my no-buy year. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up down below. And what kind of trends are you thinking are gonna come out in 2019? One other one that I find is happening already right now is the move away from matte lips into more of a gloss situation, which is, you can see on my lips right now. It's more of a glossy lip trend right now over the completely matte lip-lined, overlined lip matte lipstick type of a trend, which is awesome because I have tons of glosses there too, so I don't need to purchase anything there either. But let me know down in the comment section down below what other trends you think are coming out this year. And if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to hit the little red subscribe button. And when you want to be notified, if you want to be notified when I post new content, don't forget to hit the little bell next to it. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.